I didn't take it off, it broke.
It's sad that I have to use a ladder to get in here.
A ladder. You have a ladder? I didn't see a ladder. Yeah, roll down my window. I'd do it, but you're over there.
My fingers are strong enough to do this.
Oh. Oh.
Sounds like a battery connection.
Gosh, you break everything of mine. Yep, gotta fix a woman's mistakes. Pretty typical. I'm gonna blame her for this. If it don't work now, it's operator error. I can hear it. Oh!
Say that again, operator error? That would be you.
No, you were there, Jinx on it. Give it a shot. Are you sure? I know that battery is good.
I know my thumb can't push down the button.
Yeah, I know. How's that? Yeah, brakes don't work so good. Yeah, and don't hit bumps too quick. Got gas in the back now. The sun is bright. I have to aim low. That's alright. Either way, that'll work. Yeah, the truck squeaks a bit. Don't worry about it. Pull it. You see that red truck pulling, you know, next to that. You know, make a left. Don't hit it. That's good. Use the brakes. Alright. You ready to fire up the Falcon now? Yeah, the green one? Yeah?
Sure.
Alright. Well, go on, get out.
No butt shot today. There's like no floor in here.
Oh no.
Okay.
Alright, you want to probably have to pump the gas a bunch because I didn't prime it, so there's probably none in it. Just crank it. Make sure you're not in gear. I think you're probably not in gear.
What if I am?
Turn the key and find out.
Are there brakes?
Yeah, brake's the one in the middle.
Okay.
Yeah, they ain't doing anything until you get gas up there, so crank it. Crank it first. Typical woman, doesn't listen.
Excuse me, what am I doing?
I said crank it first.
What's crank it mean?
See that key? Okay, you're in gear. Take it out of gear.
Fucking car is retarded.
No. This time it's the operator. Clutch. Ow. There. Now you should be in neutral. I make no promises though. So now
You hold the clutch to start this one?
No, you don't have to.
Okay.
I'd say move the... Oh, there you go. There you go. Yeah. That fired up pretty good. If only you keep it running. Oh. Fogging for mosquitoes back there or what?
I don't know. Smoke by the gas tank doesn't sound too good.
It's fine. It's fine. Don't worry, if it catches fire, I'll slam the door and run. I'll be safe. Don't worry.
I'm not worried about you.
Oh, I'm sure you aren't. Oh, bitch. Oh my God. You're gonna blow up my automatic pause.
I can just let it turn off. Okay.
Yeah, I know it is.
Okay.
It's because I'm here.
Good.
It likes me.
Yeah, okay.
Don't you, vehicle? Yes.
It's huge.
No, actually, it's just because I put those seats in. They're not the original seats.
I'd be sitting up here.
Yeah, you'd be sitting a lot closer to the wheel if they were the original seats.
Yeah.
I like.
Is it an automatic or is it a manual?
It's a manual.
Okay, so you
That's the
shift
gears.
gears?
Yeah.
That is really weird.
Yeah.
I don't know. They probably didn't make very many of these kind, did they?
Oh, they used to make them all the time.
With shifters up here?
Yep. No, it's not.
I like
It's
it
old
down
school.
here.
What do you like to that again?
Alright, let's move on to the next project.
All right. Go ahead and turn it off. How do you like my balls?
Well, 10 and 14 aren't really my numbers.